KTM has introduced a brand new entry-level offering in its lineup, the 160 Duke. Priced at 1.85 lakh rupees, ex-showroom, this street fighter directly takes on rivals like the Yamaha MT-15, offering a compelling mix of performance and aggressive styling that KTM is known for. At the heart of the 160 Duke lies a new 164.2cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, SOHC engine. This motor is based on the second-generation 200 Duke's engine architecture, but has been underboard specifically for this model. It produces 19 PS at 9,500 RPM and 15.5 Nm of torque at 7,500 RPM. The performance figures place it at the top end of the segment, making it a very promising option for enthusiasts seeking a capable yet accessible street bike. The chassis is also shared with the 200 Duke, ensuring a familiar and proven platform. However, KTM has made some tweaks for the 160 Duke to set it apart. It features 5-spoke bionic alloy wheels, which are both stylish and lightweight. Braking is handled by a 320mm front disc brake, lighter than the one on its bigger sibling, and a 230mm rear disc, which contributes to better handling and responsiveness. Suspension duties are managed by WP Apex upside-down forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear, offering 138mm and 161mm of travel respectively. Weighing in at 147 kg wet, the 160 Duke strikes a good balance between agility and stability. The seat height stands at 815mm, making it accessible for a wide range of riders. Tech-wise, KTM hasn't held back. The bike features a 5-inch LCD display with Bluetooth connectivity, adding a premium touch. The switchgear is also shared with the latest generation of Duke motorcycles, further aligning the 160 Duke with the brand's updated portfolio. Safety features include dual-channel ABS with the added functionality of disabling ABS for the rear wheel. Currently, the KTM 160 Duke is an India-exclusive model, but it sets the stage for the launch of its paired sibling, the RC160, which is expected to arrive in the coming weeks.